One of the best joys for a creator is to always try to deliver the best content that he can to his viewers, whether that is working through the content of the video or in investing and making better production quality of the videos.
When I'm making videos, one of the biggest criticism that I get is that I shoot very shaky videos, and that is really true, and people don't like to watch shaky videos, especially in vlogs where you're moving and talking with the camera.
So this is the Gorilla Pod that I have been using. This is how I would typically mount my camera and use it for vlogging. This is what gives it a more stable use for shooting videos. Twist it around and wrap it on a pole or even a ceiling fan and get some interesting shots. So this has been a good companion for me as a video gear, and I really like it because it was versatile. But over the years, this has taken a lot of damage. The legs have become loose, it falls off sometimes, it cannot grip easily, and the legs are getting apart right now. So I really needed a replacement, and that's where this comes in. This is the Manfrotto Pixie tripod. This is what is in direct competition with the Gorilla Pod, and now it might look like this is very different from the Gorilla Pod, and it is a traditional tripod that stands on the 3 legs, and it is quite small and easy to use, but it shows that it can even take the weight of a DSLR. Now that is very interesting because the Gorilla Pod cannot take the weight of a DSLR, and we will test that if this can mount this camera on it or not.
This is the tripod, and it is quite heavier than the Gorilla Pod. You have this button right here, I think so. If you press it, you can change the mount of the, don't know if you have to press it or okay. So you basically, it's very stiff, so you can use it, I think so, to lock it. Wait, let me look at the instructions. Very rugged is this system. I really need it because it does require a lot of strength.
Moments later.
Finally. Guys, it does take a lot of wrestling to set it up, but I have set it up. I'm very proud of how I set it up. Okay, so I can change the orientation like this. So this is how it looks when it's like flat like this. So you can see there are rubber pads at the feet so that it can grip to the surfaces. And on a closer look, let me show you that this is the button through which you can change the orientation of the weight of the camera that you have mounted. And this is not a one-hand operation, at least for me. So yeah, I will have to do this before, like, I'm going out for shooting or something like that, or when I really need it. Okay, so unfortunately the battery of my DSLR camera died, so now it is on charging, but I mounted my small camera on this tripod, and you can see they fit in quite perfectly, and I have to say this is quite a good combination. Like when I mounted my DSLR on this and I tried to vlog, like moving and holding the DSLR on this tripod, it became quite heavy and it was becoming unstable and difficult to hold. But now that I have this camera on this tripod, it feels very solid and very stable. Again, Manfrotto makes some very good quality tripods, and that is clearly seen in this one also. Now Manfrotto has also updated this tripod, so there's a new kind of Manfrotto Pixie tripod which is a bit different than this one, but this one has been bought by so many YouTubers and so many photographers, and I can see why. The quality is very good, it feels very solid in the hand, and I chose this red and black edition because it was looking very nice. Now I know that I got a little bit too technical for this, but I always like to share any upgrades that I do with my camera gear or anything like that, because I think that someone out there might be interested and might find this helpful for them. So yeah, that's it, that's for them. And now I want to make a very interesting announcement. Now, before the pandemic, I was a final year college student who had gone to his midterm break and was supposed to come back and enjoy his final months in the college, but that did not happen. My college life came to a halt, and then it just suddenly ended. But there were so many things that I just didn't say and just didn't get to share with you guys and with my college mates and everyone who was part of my college life. I was kinda nervous because there were so many sentiments attached to it. It is very personal to me, my college life. But now I am ready, and I'm very excited to announce that there will be a college diaries video. So if you're excited to know about my college life in Delhi University, then do subscribe to this channel so that you can get notified. If you want to know the release date of this vlog, I'm gonna announce it on Wednesday on my Instagram page, so do follow me there. And again guys, if you like this video, if you like this announcement, do give this video a thumbs up. And again, if you want to see more content like this, if you want to see my college wala life video, then do not forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.